50, the Supreme Court is set to hear oral arguments today. For the first time, the entire process will be held over teleconference. NBC5's Matt Pritchard is in Washington with which cases they're focusing on and what these changes could mean moving forward.
Well, the court has honed in on 10 specific cases, hoping to finish some of its workload while also abiding by COVID-19 health guidelines. A new normal reaches the steps of the Supreme Court.
There will be, for the first time, regular live audio of arguments in the Supreme Court.
10 cases pulled out of postponement and held over teleconference, a feed given to media outlets, and in turn, the entire American public.
They realized that to give the public access in any way, they were going to have to give the whole public access.
It's a historic shift and one that could change access to the court moving forward.
It leads to the question, once they do that, why not have this as a permanent fixture of the Supreme Courts?
For now, though, the focus is on these cases, starting with efforts by the House to access President Trump's financial records, arguing it falls under their oversight responsibilities.
Very deep, complex arguments about the historical traditions in this area.
Another case, whether state electors must make their decision based on votes, not personal preference.
That one is the one that I think is not only obviously important, but also time sensitive vis-a-vis the upcoming election.
Each issue holds added significance as court watchers wait to see how all this change impacts final decisions.
This is just an unusual circumstance, and we'll have to see how it works.
Now, also unique in all this, there will be strict guidelines for the justices on when they can speak and ask questions, a departure from the way they normally do things when holding oral arguments. In Washington, I'm Matt Pritchard reporting.